Oh, folks, today we're in the purple bus, ripping seats out, because as you can see, we are running out of room rapidly for storage, and we're doing some archaeology under these seats, and it is not good. I took about 50 cans out already. There's more Jello shot lids than I've ever seen. $1, some beer. What in the world?
Holy Jesus. What is that?
What are those?
What the fuck is that?
Power of Christ compels you. Anyway, just some interesting finds under these seats. This is pretty gross. I might just go ahead and put that in the tip bucket. Yeah, really cool stuff we're finding today.